Was working on one of these Seiko TV watches. Probably people seen these in pretty much the James Bond movie Octopussy. But here you go. You can see it's right there. It's fully working. The alarm function works and everything. But it took a lot to get it this cleaned up and to get it where it was at because it was pretty much corroded. And the reason why it was because someone put a fake Maxell battery in there that decided to leak out. It's probably an alkaline battery. And they sell a bunch of these on eBay, I noticed, and they claim genuine and everything else, but they turn out to be fake. And this is what happens: it leaks out, gets into the electronics of the watch, and destroys a lot of stuff. So I was able to repair the board on this one and get it going. I had to borrow parts from this one to get this one going, pretty much. But she is functional now. And let's go ahead and turn it on. You can see also the display works and everything too. So it does work. But I figure that isn't even what this video is really about. I actually want to show you the inside of one of these. I know no one's ever really taken one apart this deep pretty much. But here you go. And it's pretty intricate actually. Because I expected it to be kind of two separate modules, but it isn't. It's actually one whole module, but it has on one board actually. But it is two separate parts. Like the watch portion is up here. Your display driver's down here. These three here are actually regulating the voltage for the actual display down here. There's three separate voltages that come in from that wire that actually feeds the power to the display and stuff like that. But you can see the pretty intricate little thing for its time was really advanced. There's your display right there, and that's kind of the reason why I'm not really bothering fixing, just using this actually for parts, because this display is not in the best condition. As you can see, it looks a little bit worse in parts, and so not to say it doesn't, it'll probably actually function, but don't trust it. So just figure I'll go and show you a detail inside look at one of these while I have it apart before I put it all the way back together. Here of course is inside the frame, and you can see in there pretty good. This is the buzzer right in the back for the alarm function. Here's the actual mid frame and so forth, for the top frame should I say. There's a lot of corrosion on this one too. You can see one of the traces. Pretty much, hold on, right over here is eating up pretty much. So if I were to fix this, I would have to repair this trace right here. And she'll probably work again. But the problem with this one is it's missing springs and everything, because the person who actually sold it tried working on it, I guess, and lost both the spring for the speaker and for the battery return. It's supposed to be a little spring that connects power to this board to the processor, and that's missing. But my intention was never to fix this. My intention was just to take parts to get this one going and add links to the band on this one too, which I did. So at least I have one good working one. This one here I'll probably put back up there for someone who wants the rest of the parts that probably could get it going or needs the display itself. Here for the actual watch portion is good, and and I'm pretty sure someone could get this working. I know I could. I just don't want to deal with it because, you know, obviously it's missing a lot of parts. So there you go, pretty much.